Yeah, the 30-year mortgage is a real trap. First of all, it's called the 30-year mortgage. So straight away, your mindset is you're going to take 30 years to pay it off. So straight away, you're already set up to lose because you're being told you've got 30 years to pay it off. So your default psychology is, what is my minimum repayment? Let's pay that. The bank then will say, well, you've got an offset account. Let's put some money in the offset account. You can pay it off quicker, and your banker will sit there and talk through it and show you how you can pay it off. But how many people do you know that offset their way to paying their mortgage off in less than the 30-year term? Like, how many examples do you have? Hardly any. The problem with an offset account is it's the first time in history, and the banks are so clever at doing this, it's the first time in history where they made your extra repayments accessible to you, and they know human psychology. All your forward payments, all your additional surplus payments, all of your extra repayments are sitting now in an offset account, which is there for you to be able to take the money. Now, human psychology is, unfortunately, anything we can access quickly and easily, we tend to access it. So how many people actually do utilize the offset account the way that it should be utilized, which is that you compound your money and your savings in the offset account to pay your loan off quicker? Hardly anyone does that. The 30-year mortgage is a trap. The offset account is a trap. You've got to structure it differently to actually get the outcome that you want, to turn your 30-year mortgage into a 7-year, 8-year mortgage. Most people mathematically, so when I sit down with most people and I look at their income, I look at the tax that they're paying, I look at how they spend their money, where their money goes, how many accounts they've got, where they sit their money, where they allocate their money, what they're spending their money on. When I analyze all of that, most people, I can take their 30-year mortgage down to a 7, 8, 9-year mortgage without really impacting their lifestyle, and maybe giving up some things that they like, but they don't really miss.